Good morning, folks. This is Tadpole Smitty. Today, we are going to go for a ride on the Liberty trike, the 20-inch Liberty trike, down on the Santa Fe River. It's one of my favorite places to ride. So this is my first epic ride on the 20-inch Liberty, and it's a gorgeous day. We're in the dog days of summer. It's late September. It's been raining, and today it's just absolutely sunny and gorgeous. So let's get on the Liberty and go for a ride. Actually, I've got to load up some stuff. If you'll remember, if you watch my prior shows, I put a bag down here on the neck of the bike. It's off a bicycle. And I put a bicycle bag up on the handlebars. I like accessory bags. I'm gonna put my wallet right up in here. I'm gonna put my phone and my keys in there once I get to my destination. I'm actually gonna take the Liberty in the Bat Cave right over there. Now, you can take this trike apart to load it into the back of your car. And I've done that, and I've showed you how to do that. But I don't have to do that because I have the Bat Cave. And I'll show you how I'm going to load it up here in a minute. But what I do like about this 20-inch trike is it comes apart real easy right here. Pull this pin, open it up, crack it open, undo this wire right here, and the whole thing comes apart. You put half and half. It halfens the load that you can put in your car. Take your flag off, the seat comes off real quick. But I'm not going to do that because I don't have to. I've already done it for you. And anyway, today's my first epic ride on this thing. And it's absolutely a gorgeous day for riding. Now, it's going to be at a slower pace than I'm used to. I'm a recumbent rider. I cruise at 10, 15 miles an hour. 20-something miles an hour downhill. This bike, trike, is not that trike. This is not a recumbent. You cannot go fast on these. These are for puttering around. And I've been showing you that. They're great for that. If you have an issue getting out of a chair, maybe you can sit in this a little easier. Right up in this seat. The seat is adjustable up and down. The backrest is adjustable up and down. The handlebars are adjustable up and down. Everything's adjustable. Highly well engineered. Consumer feedback on how to build this thing, and they just keep improving it. Jason at libertytrike.com has done a fantastic job on this trike. That's it. Now I just got to strap it down. We're riding on the river trail. You know, you bird watchers and you people that like to do photography like I do, this is a perfect rig for that. I just figured that out because I'm out here filming and I'm carrying my gear around. This is a lot easier than a recumbent. Look how big this storage is. I can put my tripod in here. It just eats it up. Gone. It's in there. All my camera gear can go right in here. Anyway. So I've given you all the utility, hauling trash, RV, working in the garden. Now, photography, perfect. Bird watching, perfect. Put your sack lunch in the back, perfect. Go on a picnic. Throw all your stuff in the back of your trike and go. Perfect. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous out here on my Liberty. On hard surfaces like this, I've got it on level 4 throttle. I am climbing a hill. I am using a little bit of throttle, just a little bit right here. I'd say about a quarter throttle. And it's clicking along 7 miles an hour. Folks, this rig is perfect for this. Now this thing, if I go to level 5, this thing will get up there and get after it. But see, I want to tell you something, folks. You don't want to be riding this thing that fast. This is a putter. This thing's for tooling around real slow. General are not as stable as recumbents, meaning if you turn real sharp, they'll tip over. So keep it slow. That's what this is designed to do. Days of summer up here in Santa Fe. Santa Fe loses its summer rather quickly. 4 true seasons here. And when it's time for fall to come, it comes. I mean, it comes. Now, fall can last a long time, but when it gets cold, it gets cold. I was telling you folks in some of my other videos, I've lived here 20 years. I've never seen the Santa Fe River run all summer long. This summer, almost 100%. Flowing like crazy. Beautiful, beautiful fall. This motor is whisper quiet. Clicking along at 8 miles an hour, I don't hear anything except the river. Wow. I don't know what's more impressive, this trike or the scenery. I think I'm enjoying it. This thing is perfect for this type of riding. Now looking at the wildflowers, cruising along the river trail, clicking along at 11 miles an hour now, I'm getting a little more confidence, getting to know the trike. Yeah, bird watching, flower watching, river watching, or just riding. Yeah, this is gorgeous today. I could stay out here all morning. But I can't. I got to get back. I'm going to go have lunch with my beautiful wife. I brought you to Frenchie's Park before. This is where I used to bring my little boy. It's now 15. Yes, I had a child late in life. Blessing. He's 15 now, 15 and a half. Getting ready to ride. He's getting ready to drive. Anyway, I used to bring my little boy here when he was a kid. That playground. I spent hours over here chasing around. We played pirates. I was a monster after him, pirate after him. And he would hide on top of these toys, these playground. On top of that, I'd be the monster on the ground trying to get him. Oh. Or the pirate, we would act like we were sailing a ship. Imagination for kids, huh? We had a good time over here. Good old days. I like the days now. I like him as a man. But I'll always remember him as a child. Right here. On the Santa Fe River. Anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed my ride today on the 20-inch Liberty Trike rig, folks. It's a lot funner than I thought it was going to be. I'm having a good time on it. Anyway, folks, it's time to get back to the bat cave, put the trike away. Another epic ride. And subscribe. It's important to the channel. I'd like to thank Jason at libertytrike.com for supporting my channel and helping you all decide what kind of trike you want to get. I hope you go with Jason. He's a good man. It's a good outfit. Very supportive. Really good pricing. I ain't got nothing to complain about with Jason at libertytrike.com. Check him out. Anyway, folks, thanks for coming along with me today. Check out your trike at libertytrike.com. Tell Jason Smitty sent you for watching my channel. Thank you. Send it to your friends. Forward it. Forward my channel to your friends. Like and subscribe. It helps. Till next time, folks, this is Tadpole Smitty. Keep up the happy triking.